Hello everyone, good day one and all. Have you ever wondered what causes the ground beneath your feet to suddenly shake? Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of earthquakes, one of nature's most powerful forces. Earthquakes happen deep beneath the surface of the earth. You see, our planet isn't just one solid piece. It's made up of layers: the crust, the mantle, and the core. The outer layer, called the crust, is broken into huge pieces called tectonic plates. These plates are constantly moving, but don't worry, they move really slowly. Most of the time, we don't even notice. But here's the thing, sometimes these plates get stuck as they push against each other. When that happens, pressure starts to build up, for years, or even centuries. And then, when the plates finally break free, it's like a giant spring snapping back into place. All that built-up energy is released in a flash, and that sudden movement is what we feel as an earthquake. Now, there are three main ways tectonic plates move that can cause earthquakes. 1. They can collide, pushing into each other. This creates mountains, like the Himalayas. 2. They can move apart, creating gaps, usually under the ocean where magma rises to form new crust. 3. Or, they can slide past each other, like two cars brushing side by side. This is what happens along the famous San Andreas Fault in California. When an earthquake happens, it sends shockwaves called seismic waves through the earth. These waves make the ground shake, and depending on how much energy is released, it can be anything from a gentle tremor to a devastating disaster. Earthquakes can cause a lot of damage, from collapsed buildings to landslides. But the good news is that scientists are constantly studying them to help predict when and where they might happen, so we can be prepared. Using tools like seismometers, scientists can detect the smallest vibrations in the ground and track the movement of tectonic plates. While we can't stop earthquakes from happening, understanding how they work helps us reduce their impact on people's lives. So, the next time the ground shakes beneath your feet, remember, it's just our planet's way of adjusting. Earthquakes are a natural part of life on a constantly moving Earth.